Hi, my family. How you doing? It's me, Paul. Guys, today we're having the Takis Explosion. Takis Explosion. Wow. This is mild. This is by the brand of Barcel. Looks pretty good to me, guys. A very fusion of tang and spice, roll it up in one taste bud, tingling, cheap, fade the intensity, and in French, bravez l'intensité, une fusion de sabor piquant dans une croustille roule. Wow. Roule qui mettra le fou à vos papilles. Wow. I believe, whether it is in English or French, I believe there's some power inside this bag. Oh yeah. Zesty nacho. Let's try it. I give you the nutritional content if I have them at the end. Alright. Maybe you cannot see. I don't know. You see? Yeah. Look at that. That's awesome. I like guys the rolled corn tortilla. It doesn't matter what kind of flavor, even if it's plain, I like it. This is what it looked like. This orange red intimidating color, and let's see. Well, it's not hot for me. It's not hot, but it's good, no doubt. Have a lot of good cheesy flavor. What I like is the fact of the cheese. I'm gonna take two now. I was really expecting something hotter because it said explosion, but it's still okay for me, guys. It doesn't have to burn me alive to be good. So I like the fact that it's a rolled corn tortilla. I like the fact that it's fresh. I like the fact that the cheese, they have a very intense cheese flavor, and that's good enough for me. So I'm gonna rate these babes. This cost me, I believe this cost me $4. Yeah. Yeah. They deserve at least an 8.9. Yeah, because it's fresh. It brings a lot of chips inside. Regardless, not really that spicy. Practically no spicy, guys. I don't know. Maybe I have eaten so much spicy food. It's nothing for me, maybe. But you guys gonna give it a try, guys? Give it a try. It's available in most supermarkets. Give it a try, guys. It's pretty good. Pretty good. So 8.9 goes for that, guys. And thank you. Please subscribe and please hit the notification bell. And every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Take care of yourself, guys, and God bless you all, and sayonara, amigos. Bye.